6 people killed due to tornadoes in Alabama, USA. A tornado and a violent storm hit the southern state of Alabama in the United States, U.S., on Thursday, December 1st, local time. At least 6 people died as a result of the tornado and storm. As reported by AFP, Friday, January 13, 2023, the storm continued to crash eastward and sweep over the state of Georgia, where the National Weather Forecasting Service, NWS, continued to issue tornado warnings since the afternoon. Alabama Governor Kay Ivey, in a statement via Twitter, said she was devastated to learn that 6 Alabama residents lost their lives in the hurricane. Deputy Director of Emergencies Gary Weaver separately told AFP that the 6 victims were killed by a tornado and a hurricane in Autauga County. The report by Selma Mayor James Perkins said the tornado that hit the Dallas County area ripped off roofs from buildings and caused significant damage. Perkins called on residents to stay off the streets and stay away from downed power lines. City officers will be deployed as soon as possible to carry out the cleanup, the Selma municipality said in a statement. Other counties, such as Chambers, Coosa, Elmore and Tallapoosa, also declared states of emergency. Tornadoes, which are an impressive and unpredictable weather phenomenon, are known to hit the U.S. quite often, especially in the central and southern parts of the country. In late November, 36 tornadoes hit Alabama and Mississippi, killing 2 people.